Here's how to make delicious Barmbrack for this Halloween with Odlums. So the night before you make this recipe, you want to soak your fruit in tea, just to bring back the moisture into all of it. And then the next day is all about baking. It's really, really simple and it's quick and it's easy to put together. So into a bowl, we're gonna add 350 grams of the shamrock mixed fruit. And to that, we're gonna add 300 ml of cold tea and cover and leave it to soak overnight. And the next day you'll end up with something like this. To that we're going to add a good teaspoon of the good Odlums mixed spice. We have 125 grams of caster sugar in, and we've 225 grams of the new Odlums self-raising super flour. Finally, just in with 1 egg. Get in there with your wooden spoon and mix this really well together. So we're baking this in the new Odlums 2-pound loaf tins. When you buy any 2 Shamrock or Odlums products, you get one of these free with your purchase. So we go straight in with the mixture into a greased tin. And there you have it, a delicious Barmbrack for this Halloween with Odlums.